Hello friends, before you watch this video, I want you to notice your jaw. Do you feel it is tight right now? Or do you feel that your teeth are touching when you're scrolling through the videos? Most people don't realize how they are holding their jaw until I ask them this question because they never have observed this consciously. So if I ask you, how is your jaw feeling? You will probably say, it's okay, nothing major. But the small things that we do every single day quietly add up. So guys, today's episode is about these small tiny habits that slowly put pressure on the jaw without us even realizing it. And these are these are the day routine things. So let's imagine a regular morning. You wake up and the first thing you do is check your phone. Your head bends like this, your neck strains a little and your jaw shifts. You don't feel anything immediately, but your jaw has already started working the moment you wake up. Now you go get your brushing thing done. So while brushing your teeth, you tighten your lips and sometimes press the teeth together out of habit, not intention, but it's just a natural habit. And as your mind now starts thinking about the day, your jaw muscles tighten slightly the same way as your thoughts do. So now none of these things feels like stress, but for your jaw, these are small repeated loads that it is taking every day, and it is normal. Now you sit down to work, you go to work and now you sit down to work. Now it is possible that your screen might be a little low, or your chin goes forward, or you hold your jaw like this with your hand when reading something serious or doing something. So many people lightly clench like this, lightly, when they concentrate on work. So this is not like full clenching like this, but it's just gentle tooth contact when they are reading something or when they are concentrated, focused. That small pressure done for hours adds up more than you think. Your jaw doesn't care whether you are stressed, focused or bored. It only reacts to position by tightening. Now guys, when you go for lunch, you might chew mostly on one side without noticing, maybe because you have a cavity or toothache, or you are in hurry to finish your meal, so you eat very quickly like fast eating, or you choose hard crunchy foods because they feel satisfying, the salad and crunch. All of these small regular habits put strain on your jaw. Your jaw adapts to these patterns and the muscles keep repeating them. Now at night, you may sleep on your stomach or on one side of your jaw pressed into the pillow like this. Your neck angle shifts and your jaw gets pushed slightly like this, if you're sleeping like this or like this. And if you are unconsciously clenching during sleep, nothing better than that, worse than that, the pressure increases even more. Your jaw works even when you are sleeping. Guys, do you know the stats? During normal chewing, your jaw uses around 70 to 150 newtons of force. But during clenching or grinding that you do unconsciously, this force can jump up to 500 to 800 newtons or even more in some individuals. That means your jaw uses mild to moderate force when chewing, but 5 to 10 times more force when clenching. This is why small, repeated clenching habits feel harmless in the moment, but slowly exhaust the jaw joint and muscles because it's 5 to 10 times more. After listening to this, the question pops out. Some of these are normal regular habits. Then how can we stop doing them? Like seeing the phone or brushing the teeth or sometimes hurrying up the meal. All of these are normal things that everybody does. I completely understand this question. But guys, I want you to take notice that here we have discussed about the day routine where jaw needs to come into the function healthily or otherwise. Point is, some of these habits which are not necessary if taken care of, the overload or the overtime work that our jaw is doing can be avoided. So none of these moments are dramatic. None of them feels painful at first. None of these cause jaw pain. It's like a burnout that happens gradually when you go work overtime or when you do your work overtime. So tiny habits done every day becomes muscle memory. The muscle memory then becomes muscle tightness, and this tightness slowly becomes pain. That's how everyday life shapes our jaw health. So only those functions, if given to it, that are necessary for it are good. So the good news is that small daily habits can bring relief to your jaw. You don't need like big lifestyle changes. Just a little awareness throughout the day makes a huge difference. So here are some simple corrections that you can do right now from today. Keep your screen at eye level. Try avoid resting your jaw on the hand or putting pencil or pen between the teeth. Chew on both the sides. Avoid having chewing gum every day. Choose a neutral sleep posture. Relax your tongue when at rest. And remember, lips together, teeth apart. These small, mindful changes create big improvements over time. And when you gently change those patterns, your jaw learns new ones. Because friends, after all, awareness is the beginning of healing. And now that when you are aware after this video, I hope that you will start changing your habits too. I'm Dr. Mansi Davesar and this is TMJ Care. In the next episode, we will explore when jaw pain isn't just jaw pain, the comorbidities that overlap the TMJ issues. Thank you.